Ayy, flaming hot, yeah. Came in this bitch, yo, whipping up that motherfucking pot. Ayy, James Harder with the pot. Whoa, whoa, look at my wrists, go. Came me out, bitch, like no. Oh, let go. Stacking my bread, let go. Came me that bitch like okay at the stove. Ayy, told the bitch gotta go. Look at my shit like I'm about to fucking blow. I was at the fucking stove. Niggas keep fucking asking. Call of Duty on spazzing. Came in this bitch not lagging, yeah. Came in this bitch not lagging, yeah. You know that I'm not motherfucking bragging, yeah. Niggas keep on laughing, yeah. Got a bitch on a motherfucking deck, yeah. Came in this bitch like a motherfucking dragon. Okay, what? Yeah, she wants on my wagon. Yeah, getting the money, I flip it, you know that I stack it. Pussy ass nigga always talk, you ain't bout the fucking action. I'ma have to come through and split your ass, that's like a fraction. Yo bitch wanna suck my glizzy, you don't want a motherfucking glizzy. No, you don't. I come man, you know that I got extensions with them titties. No, I do. Blast out this bitch like a motherfucking rocket. I don't give a fuck cause you know I ain't motherfucking stopping. I feel like Batman in the paint, boy this ain't no fucking Robin. Feel like D-Rose running to the paint, switching lanes. Okay, I don't give a fuck, she wanna stay. She on a dick real quick, y'all, she wanna pray. I told her, yeah, little bitch, you can have a nice day. You can. Good day, middle day, I don't really give a fuck. A-O-K-A, hooray, Celebrate. She eat me up like Frito-Lay. Told the bitch, yo, how it tastes. Spray your ass like some fucking mace. You know that's a fucking closed case. Leave his body, I won't leave a trace. Popped up like David Blaine. Told the bitch real quick, yeah, what's your name? She like a dog, yeah, you gotta tame. Walked up in this bitch like the Hall of Fame.